Hi guys, we are inside Kaswa. We are about to do our wiring. We're doing CCTV wiring, electric fence wiring, video intercom wiring, gates, motor wiring. Then we're also doing ceiling speakers wiring and CCTV wiring. Yeah. So let's go. I want to show you what we have done. So as you can see, this for the video intercom. We are putting everything inside. Then when the client is ready and they are done with their screening, you call us and we come and pass the wires. Alright. Sorry? Let's go. As you can see, yeah, it's going on. We're doing the wire with the electrician as well. So this is where the ceiling speakers, the connections are going to be. Doing some ceiling speakers all over the house. And then also, this is where the CCTV camera monitoring is going to be. So as you can see, we are passing our pipes with the electricians. And yeah, so they are doing our wiring, we are also doing ours. This is for the electric fence keypad. This is for the video intercom. Somebody presses outside, it rings here, rings up there too. So if you have any projects, you can actually let us know. So you can see the electrician is passing his cable. We're also doing the same thing. If you have any installation, let us know. We'll come around, we'll pass the cables. And when you are ready, we'll come and do the installation. See you.